Z Wild here. I think it's 28th today. No, 30th of October 2023 over at Hayle Harbour. My camera's not good enough, but that is a Greenshank where my fingernail is. It's far too small to see, and the telescopic zoom is very good. There's a lot of there's a cormorant further out. But anyway, Hayle Harbour, the new buildings going up in the background. There's the Greenshank in the middle of the screen, and a cormorant in the middle of the screen there, and an egret with it, but you don't think you can see these. Tide's right out. Stream coming out down there. I'm about to have food in the Asda Cafe, which is there. Nice railway bridge, viaduct. The Isis Gardens. Z Wild over and out.